So guys, habang nag-a-apply po tayo, talakayin po natin kung ano ang beneficial ng banana para sa ating skin. Alam po natin ang banana is rich in potassium. Potassium hydrates and moisturizes skin, leaving it soft and smooth. And the other nutrients, guys, is lectins, guard against bacteria, thus preventing acne. So maganda sa merong acne ang banana. And of course, we have also vitamin A, fade dark spot and blemishes, reduces appearance of scars. And vitamin B, lighten skin tone, reduces appearance of wrinkles, prevents aging. And vitamin E, known as the protector, fight free radicals damage, bolster the skin UV resistance, prevents and reduce appearance of wrinkles. So, napakaganda po ang ating banana mask, guys. So, pwede po natin gamitin ito or gawin kahit ilang beses ng isang linggo, pwede nyo pong gawin. And let's proceed to honey. Ano ang maibibigay ng honey sa ating skin? Ito ang kanyang benefits, guys. Honey, an ancient superfood, antibacterial, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, soothes skin, antioxidants, reduce appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, fights acne, dries out pimples, lighten skin, reduces blemishes, fades acne scar, prevent dry skin, combats free radical damage, reduces rashes, heals sun damage, promotes generation of new skin cells, and many more. Yan po ang ating makukuha sa ating honey, guys. So, napakaganda po ang ating mixture for today. And of course, let's proceed to lemon juice. We know that lemon juice is rich in vitamin C. So, lemon juice contains vitamin C in the form of ascorbic acid. Vitamin C does a great job at evening out pigmentation without too much irritation and could help increase collagen in your skin or in our skin as well. It also an antioxidant that counteracts free radicals, making it good at protecting your skin from the sun. So, ito yung benefits po ng ating lemon juice sa ating skin, guys. Nag-dry na siya. So, pwede na tayong magbanlaw, guys, or pwede na tayong maligo. And at the same time, kaya ganyan yung buko, guys, kasi bago ako maligo, nag-apply po ako ng argan oil. Yeah, argan oil yata yun. So, ayan ang ating facial mask. And, wait po natin ang ating result. Facial mask with honey and lemon juice for brightening our skin or para matanggal ang ating mga pecas. Yan po, guys, ang ating facial mask for tonight or for today kasi gabi ko ito ginawa. And, yan. Antayin po natin yung ating result, guys. And bye muna. Bye-bye muna. Maliligo.
Few moments later.
So, ayan guys, nakita nyo naman na meron siyang pagbabago, naging shiny and little bit bright. Pero siguro kung continuous kung gagamitin ito talagang magba-bright and matanggal yung ating mga dark spot. So, ang gawin lang po natin dito is continue using and maganda po siya. And ang pinakamaganda dito is natural, very natural and madaling gawin lang guys. Ayan po ang ating DIY pala. So, ayan po ang ating DIY. Do it yourself banana face mask with honey and lemon juice. So, yan po guys.